Tannerite requires 2,000 feet per second to explode. Do we still have that with a 450 Bushmaster at 40 yards? Let's find out. By golly, it did. We do have at least 2,000 feet per second velocity at 40 yards still with the 250 grain Hornady FTX 450 Bushmaster. That is a lot of numbers.
That was a cool flash. Did you see the flash?
No, I did not.
It was pretty awesome.
Let's go see what happened. I was hoping to destroy the chair. It just did nothing. It just pushed it over. Dang it. Yeah, it did nothing to the chair.